Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs before listing my home? And the short answer is yes. While we're still in a seller's market, the truth is there aren't as many buyers as there were during the peak a few years ago. The good news is that buyers still looking to purchase a home in this environment are very serious about moving. However, due to higher interest rates and home prices, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out. That's why today I'm sharing 3 things that you can do to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. First, have a pre-listing meeting with your agent. Meet with them to go over which repairs are really worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money, so invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and net you a higher return on your investment. It might be worth it to pay for a pre-inspection before you list. This way you can find out exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before you hit the open market. The second thing is choose between cosmetic and high maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into one of 2 categories, cosmetic repairs and high maintenance. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. However, they can net you a higher return on your investment and potentially get your home sold quicker. High maintenance repairs, on the other hand, take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want good offers from buyers. Proper repairs expand your buyer pool. The condition of your home is the most important factor you can control when selling it. Expand your buyer pool, and in today's market, there are fewer buyers due to interest rates and home prices. However, you can still attract a lot of demand with property in good condition. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in from better qualified buyers. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war and naturally drive up your price. I always recommend sellers do repairs before listing their property, but it's more important in this market than ever before. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing or want to discuss a pre-listing strategy, just give us a call or DM us on our Facebook page or send us an email, and we'd love to hear from you. Have a great week.